Hey, we're going to practice Bhujapidasana. It's a fun and interesting pose in the Ashtanga primary series, and it starts by jumping like a frog to bring the feet around the arms. So that's the first part you're going to practice, and it goes like this. You're going to go into down dog, and then you're going to try to jump the feet around and in front of the arms like this. But your first attempt is probably going to end up somewhere back here like this. So try to bring the legs around, and what we're trying to do then is work the shoulders underneath the knees. You might want to try it one side at a time. I'm going to move back a little bit so you guys can see better. So working one shoulder behind one knee, working another shoulder behind another knee, working both shoulders behind both knees eventually. Once both shoulders get behind both knees, then the hands come down and it turns into an arm balance. You're going to bend the elbows, rest on the elbows, cross the shins. In the beginning, you might just be able to cross the ankles. This is called shoulder pressure pose, Bhujapidasana, because you're actually squeezing the legs in toward the shoulders. But eventually you want to move past ankles and actually cross the shins and point the toes. And this is where I'm not super far into this pose, but eventually the feet would come back behind my hands and the chin would come to the ground. Be where you are. For most of us, first time trying it, just jumping the feet around the hands and then trying to work the shoulders back behind the knees. Bhujapidasana.